Welcome back, Archers. Today, we're tackling the Archero 2 skill tier list. Every offensive, defensive, and utility skill ranked so you know exactly what to grab, reroll, or skip the next time that Angel pops up. Let's dive right in. For this video, ratings are based on three factors: raw DPS per room, life-saving potential, and how well the skill scales with meta gear and heroes at late game. This isn't just about what feels strong, it's what performs when it counts. Let's begin with the S tier, or the always grab. These are your no-brainer picks. Whether you're in a boss room, mob wave, or arena, S tier skills massively boost your performance instantly. Multi-shot and diagonal arrows expand your attack spread, while ricochet dominates crowded rooms. Attack boosts skill with everything, making it the best passive buff. These are the foundation of most successful late-game builds. Let's move on to the A tier, or the powerful but situational. A tier skills are powerful tools when the conditions are right. Front arrow and piercing shot shine when your gear or map setup allows multi-target damage. Blazing meteor is deadly in mob-heavy stages. Bloodthirst gives great sustain if you're running a fast clear or melee build. You can pick these to complement your S tier backbone. Next, the B tier, or the solid fillers. These B tier skills are decent support options that can fill out a build but won't carry you alone. Crit Mastery is a sleeper hit on crit focused heroes, and Shield Guard drives you for a room of error. Rear Arrow can help when enemies sneak up from behind, but don't rely on these to push through the late game alone. Next, we have the C tier, or take only if needed. Take note. These skills look flashy but fall off fast. Side arrows and toxic strike don't hold up in higher chapters where enemies outscale DOT effects. Speed up is only helpful for dodging and niche scenarios. Only take these if your better options don't show up. The last tier we have is the bottom of the barrel. They sound fun but don't deliver. Bolt Strike barely triggers, Shadow Clone seems epic but the cooldown and damage makes it unreliable. Unless you're experimenting or desperate, these skills are better off skipped or rerolled. And that's the full Archero 2 skill tier list. Which skill is your must pick up every time? That's it.